Let's see a question from vector calculus. If phi x comma y comma z equals to this, find the magnitude of the directional derivative at a point this in the direction of normal to the surface this. So this is basically a combination of two questions. First of all, we need to find the directional derivative. Now directional derivative is basically the gradient dot n cap. Okay, this is the concept for directional derivative. And they have also given you a point for that directional derivative. Okay, you can find gradient from here, del phi, but you need n cap. So for that a vector is not given. अब उसी के लिए ये एक एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, नॉर्मल टू द सरफेस. नाउ नॉर्मल to any surface phi is given by gradient phi. ठीक है. So this was the first concept and this is the second concept. Okay, so these are the two concepts right here. Now पहला चीज ऐसा करते हैं कि दूसरा पार्ट निकाल लेते हैं, उससे हमें ये एन कैप मिल जाएगा, फिर ग्रेडियंट से उसको मल्टीप्लाई डॉट ले लेंगे तो डायरेक्शनल डेरिवेटिव मिल जाएगा. तो वी हैव दिस सरफेस, लेट्स से दैट phi 1. So phi 1 is 4x square y plus 2z square minus 2. Okay, now we need to find the gradient. So del phi 1, that will be equal to del by del x I cap plus del by del y j cap del by del z k cap multiplied by this. So 4x square y plus 2z square minus 2 simply. Okay, now we can find it easily. So del by del x of 4x square y plus 2z square minus 2 times I cap del by del y of this 4x square y plus 2z square minus 2 j cap plus del by del z of 4x square y plus 2z square minus 2 k cap. Now partial derivative with respect to x, so we can ignore these two terms. So this will be 8xy times I cap plus partial derivative with respect to y, so it will be 4x square, okay, times j cap. Partial derivative with respect to z, so it will be 4z simply. Okay, times k cap. Now here we have been given the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 3. So del phi, that means gradient at which point 2 comma minus 1 comma 3, that will be put this value. So this will be 16 and minus 16 I cap, then plus 16 j cap and plus 12 k cap. So this is that vector. Now we need to find the unit vector in this direction. So unit vector in direction of the above vector, we can find that as minus 16i plus 16j plus 12k divided by under root minus 16 square, that is 16 square plus 16 square plus 12 square. So that is minus 16i, 16j, 12k divided by 256, that is 512 plus 144. So that will be under root 656. Leave this aside. This is basically your n cap for this particular question. Now we have found this n cap. Now find this. So this is del phi, and phi here is given in this particular question. So let's proceed. So del phi, that will be del by del x I cap, del by del y j cap, del by del z k cap. And sorry, it was phi, and phi is your x square plus y square, x square y plus y square z plus z square x. I think this was our phi for this particular question. Yes. Now, so while finding this, del by del x of x square y plus y square z plus z square x I cap plus del by del y of this x square y plus y square z plus z square x j cap plus del by del z of x square y plus y square z plus z square x k cap. Now partial derivative with respect to x, so this will be 2xy plus z square, okay, times I cap, plus with respect to y, so this will be x square plus 2yz j. With respect to z, so this will be y square plus 2zx k cap. Now we need to find directional derivative at which point? At the point 2 comma 2 comma 2. So that will be del phi dot n cap. Okay. Now this will be nothing but 2xy plus z square I cap plus x square plus 2yz j cap plus y square plus 2zx k cap dot with minus 16 plus 12 divided by 656, minus 16i plus 16j plus 12k divided by under root 656. Now since we need to find this at point 2 comma 2 comma 2, so it will be better to put the value now only, because simplification will be a bit easier. So if we put 2 comma 2 comma 2, that is x equals to 2, y equals to 2 and z equals to 2, we will get 8 here plus 4 here. So that will be 12 I cap plus 4 here plus 8 here. So 12 j cap, and similarly here also, so 12 k cap. Now if you will do the dot product, it will be a bit easier. Divided by under root 656. Now 12 into minus 16 plus 12 into 16 plus 12 into 12 whole divided by under root 656. So this gets cancelled. So you are left with 144 divided by 656. We can write 144 by 36 into 4, and this we can write, if we divide by 16, let's see, 16 4 just 64 1 6. So we can write under root 41 into 16, 36 into 4, and this is 16 comes out as 4 root 41. So 36 by root 41 becomes our final answer. So what was the basic idea? Let's see that once again. This was a phi. We need to find the magnitude of directional derivative at a point in the direction, but that n cap was not given directly, but this statement was given that normal to this surface. अब normal to this surface का क्या मतलब है कि ग्रेडियंट निकालना है, ग्रेडियंट से हमें नॉर्मल तो मिल गया, अब उस नॉर्मल के डायरेक्शन में यूनिट वेक्टर निकाल लिया, वो यूनिट वेक्टर यहां आ गया, अब यहां फिर से ग्रेडियंट निकाला, यूनिट वेक्टर के साथ डॉट लिया, हमारा आंसर आ गया कहां पे 2,2,2। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप एक बार रिवाइंड करके तो देख ही सकते हैं।